Okay, let's start. Hi traders and welcome to our weekly market outlook. Hope that you are good, hope that you are well. Okay, and if you are following us, you should be into a profit. Okay, if not, go and check our previous forecast and you will see if you can trust us. Okay, so let's start. I would like to start with my published ideas so you guys understand them. Okay, there's the one notification which I would like to notify you. Okay, and I think that on 23rd of January I have posted there all the New Zealand setup. Okay, so there's the one setup which I will never ever post. Why? Because I've seen that many of traders has took that setup. Okay, but we in our trading group didn't took it. Why? Because if you watch on lower time frame, there is no price action which will actually give us that trigger or to trust us or to give us confirmation to take that buy. Okay, so that's not a buy immediately jump into the trade. Okay, it doesn't mean you will wait for the lower time frame, some kind of correction before taking that trade. Okay, or you will at least wait for something like that, and then you will wait for a strong break of that trend line. Okay, otherwise you will not be just jumping into that trade. Okay, so as you can see what the prices just did, it went down. Okay, and basically on if you will rely on those strong candles, okay, there are strong sell candles. We don't see there any buy candles which will come. Okay, and this is the main reason why we didn't took that trade. Okay, we just simply ignore it. Okay, and many of you maybe has take that trade. Okay, because you immediately take that trade when you have seen that trade. Okay, try to rely on breakout enter when I will post every setup there on our Telegram. Okay, so let's go forward. Okay, I think that there are many charts which went into a nice profit. There's the chief yen also. Okay, let me just load it so we will see where the chart is right now and what it did. Come on, some problems with trading view probably. Okay, I think it will not work. Okay, we will check the live results because I will go through all those pairs. Okay, so here Aussie there was many good trade. That one wasn't good. Okay, New Zealand cat USDN was also it's also pushing lower. Okay, but it will be ready. Okay, we are watching for that wave to the upside. Okay, as you can see, there is no sell setup. Okay, there was a small short sell setup. If you took it, great, take off your profit because we are waiting and we are anticipating for that big move. Okay, if that will be a sell, I will show you later on how you will trade it. Okay, but for now I don't see that sell. Okay, today I have also posted a pound Aussie. There are now nice trades for the upcoming week. Okay, we will be watching and we will be trading that wave to the downside. Okay, we are anticipating something like that, and same with pound yen. Okay, there are the same anticipations. Okay, is the correction. Now we are waiting for the strong wave to the downside. Okay, so I will go step by step through all those charts so you guys understand then them clearly what to do in the upcoming week. Okay, so let's start with DXY. In the upcoming week, we will be waiting for a sell. Okay, do not focus on that buy. Okay, otherwise if you will have really nice setup. Okay, otherwise just skip it, rather stick to your sell. The sell will be a really nice trade to the downside. Okay, so since previous weekly market outlook, since last Sunday, I have told you that we were somewhere there, if I'm right. Okay, something like that, or something like that. I don't know exactly, but if you will take a look back on our YouTube channel, you will see I was anticipating attack that top. Okay, and because we tag that top, the price can still. Okay, sorry guys, I just got disconnected by my Zoom meeting. Do we have everything back now? It works. Is it okay, or can someone just confirm in chat that I will know everything works fine? Okay, great. So let's move forward. Sorry about that disconnect. That wasn't my fault. It was just by the internet. Okay. The mic connection has just dropped off, so let's go. Let's continue. Okay, so we were anticipating that tag of that top. Okay, then we had a strong push over there. So what we will do, we will wait for the strong push until that level. Okay, that will be a formation of expanded flat. So the typical for expanded flat is it can go and also go close to that top, but it should not break that top. Okay, so what we will do, we will be waiting for the sell setup. At the moment, you don't have any sell setups over there. Okay, so that small wave which will push the pair to the upside, or which will push the DXY to the upside, will give us a really nice sell on Euro USD. Okay, USD will go down because there's the nice pattern which it needs to complete. Okay, so let's go. I will start with Euro USD now. USD, if I watch on hard time frame, as you can see what I'm anticipating, and if you watch our previous weekly market outlooks, I think is since December on January. Okay, I am anticipated that wave to complete. Okay, just watch back and you will see what I'm anticipating, and I'm still relying on that confirmation or that correction to complete. Okay, so what we will do, you can watch a lower time frame and take those sells. Okay, when the price will tag that trend line, do not sell anymore. Okay, then the price for selling will become a risky spot. Okay, and what I do recommend you, if you will saw that correction, take the trade and take off your profit. Okay, 1 to 1 and take off your profit. Okay, you will not be holding that trade for a long. You will just get in 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, take off your profit. Next correction, you will see, take the trade and take 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, take off your profit and watch for the another correction. Okay, so let me show on 15-minute time frame, for example. Okay, so how the price will be developing. Okay, something like that, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, you will take the trade, put your stop or something like that, and when the trade will start to go, and when you will achieve 1 to 1, you will take off your profit and you will wait again. Okay, for another correction, take the trade, take off your profit. Okay, you will not be holding that trade for long. Okay, only if you are holding the trades from there, you are able to hold them. Otherwise, you will not be able to hold those trades for a long. Okay, just remove your trade and taking your profits. USD chief. Okay, if the USD will be pushing upside, we can anticipate something like that, then we will see a wave to the upside. Okay, so we are anticipating a wave to the upside first before we'll see a downside. Okay, New Zealand USD, what do we have there? Okay, based on USD, okay, we are first anticipating a sell, then we will anticipating a buy. Okay, so if you watch what we are anticipating, there's a small wave which is coming over there. Okay, something like that. Just give me just a second, like that. Okay, and you will be trading. Okay, but you will watch for the sell setups first. You don't have sell setup at the moment. Okay, that one was a sell setup, but if you missed it, wait for another one. Don't jump into that aggressive candles. Okay, it will just take you out with a losing trade. Okay, and if you're following us from Telegram, or if you're following us on TradingView, okay, you should be trading from that top. Okay, this is the top where I have posted the chart, and you should be taking all the time the sell setups. Okay, so you will do the same scenario. You will be just keep selling. Okay, if the price will give you any strong reactions or strong wave to the upside, it will invalidate those sells. Okay, so be careful, don't just blindly sell. Okay, so if I will set something that we are anticipating a wave to the downside, I don't think that you will go and immediately jump into the trade, put your entry there, put your stop loss there, and the trade will go. No, you will have to watch a lower time frame before taking that trades. Okay, so be patient and watch them on lower time frame before you will take the trade to the downside. Okay, don't just blindly jump into the chart because I have told you. Okay, so let's go. USD CAD, what do we have there? The price, it should go down because of the USD. Okay, but if the price will do something like that, give you a correction or there, it will give you a new high and then it will drop down. Okay, so you have to be careful on that move. Okay, let's see a lower time frame. Okay, that's not the behavior for sell. I don't see that this is the sell. Okay, it can go. Oh, sorry. the price can do something like that, go take that top, then it will go down, go take that bottom, and then it will go up, give you that move, and then it will start to aggressively push lower. Okay, and from that top, from every new high, you will be watching a lower time frame, then you will be waiting for your sell setups. Okay, wait for the sell setup, take the trade. Okay, I think that this is the amazing trade which is coming over there. Okay, it will probably push a little bit lower, it will also break that bottom. Okay, but at the moment this sell is not ready on lower time frame, so you will be just waiting and see how it will plays out. Okay, use the end. What do we have there? As I shown you on the trading view, okay, that will push higher. Okay, but on the lower time frame I will show you. Let me move on 15-minute time frame. So there is a really nice behavior which you will have to recognize. Okay, this is the behavior which didn't give you a buy setup. Okay, price was pushing up, went up. Okay, and then from here it just break down. Okay, that's not a buy setup. Okay, there are two aggressive candles and that should not confirm any buy which you were thinking about. Okay, so what you will do now, you wait for the strong reaction, then you will wait for the correction, then you will take the trade. Okay, so you see exactly for what you will have to wait before taking the sell, the buy, sorry. Okay, let me just put something like that and just wait. Okay, like I said before, that doesn't mean you will enter the trade, put your stop loss, something like that, and the trade will go. No, then you are risking way too much, and trading based on without having a confirmation, it's too risky. Okay, wait for the price action, then price action will tell you that this is finally ready and it will push higher. New Zealand Chief, what do we have there? There is the nice correction which is playing out there and it will go down. Okay, so those corrections was since previous outlooks. Okay, so what I will do, I will wait how this will plays out. Okay, that can just go a little bit lower, push higher, and then it will start to aggressively push lower, or it can just start to push lower. So what does this mean? You will have to watch again on lower time frame to see how that will plays out. Okay, if you have something like that, that will give you a confirmation for buy, and there's the one more buy which is coming, and we'll go tag that trend line, and then it will go down. Okay, if not, that sell will go and will never ever give you that behavior. Okay, it will just go. Okay, but if you have that behavior which I have shown you there, it will just push the pair to that trend line. Okay, so keep your eyes on and see how it will plays out. Okay, trading is just like that. You will just have to read the charts correctly, and you will see that charts are always telling to you what the price will do in the future. Okay, your job is just to read it correctly. Okay, so go with the flow and read the charts. They are trying to talk with you. Okay, so what do we have there? There is nothing, but we will be waiting for the sell. Okay, at the moment there is much more a buy setup. Okay, this is the buy setup, and what you will do, you will just simply ignore. Okay, if you're watching your analysis for sell and there's the buy setup, you will just ignore it. Okay, or if you have a really nice risk to reward ratio and you feel happy to take the trade, you can take it and you will see how far it will go. Okay, but you will have to be careful because you will have to immediately move on break even. Okay, there was the one of my setups, okay, which I have shown you. This is the Aussie New Zealand. This is the trading view published post, okay, which I have talking at the beginning. Okay, as you can see, there was really strong candles. And if you also watch on 3 minutes time frame, okay, you can see that clearly there is no signs of any reversal. Okay, there are no signs of reversal, and you should not be taking that trade. Okay, we didn't. Okay, but if you do, and if you did take that trade, hope you will understand and learn by that mistake and will not ever again take that trade. Okay, I will just let me see a higher time frame. So what we are anticipating now, we will be waiting for something like that. Price will stop there. Okay, price will stop there, and you will be trading a buy. Okay, for the upcoming week, we are anticipating a nice wave coming over there. We'll go take the top, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, but this is the really strong analysis or long-term analysis, okay, first you will be watching a lower time frame to start it to push higher. Okay, you want to have a strong reaction, a slow correction, then you will take the trade on the strong breakout. Okay, that will be your confirmation that you can take the trade. Otherwise, you will stay away from the trade. Okay, simply just wait and watch how it will play out. Okay, in the 50-minute, you can see that there is nothing what can give you a confirmation for your buy. Okay, there is nothing. The price is keep pushing. This is the sell setup. It's pushing lower, and if you will have something like that, it will just go lower. And again, if you will have something like that, it will go lower. Okay, you will have to wait for the strong break. Then you will wait for the correction in another direction. Then you will take the trade. Okay, so is your here are your eyes where you will take the trade to the upside. Okay, otherwise you will just skip it. But there is a nice 4 hour correction which will develop over there in the next 2 weeks probably. Okay, that correction will take up to 2 weeks. Let me see how long does it takes. For example, let's see. Yeah, that will probably take up to 20 days. Okay, maybe a little bit less. Let's say 80 days. Okay, so this is the period how long we will be in the up wave move before we will start watching for the sell. Okay, and there's also another scenario which can develop over there. The price can just ignore those arrows which I have shown you and it will just push it lower. Okay, it can just do something like that. Okay, but we will not be interested in that move. Stay away from it. We will be waiting if the price will go up, then from there we will be watching for our sell. Okay, but before having that behavior, we will not be watching for that sell. Okay, selling from spot like there, it's really risky because every deep correction will take you out without losing trade. So patiently wait on lower time frame. 50 minutes is enough to see those reactions and take the trade for the upside. That upside can also give you a much bigger wave or much bigger profit. So yes, patiently wait and you will see how it will plays out. Here, New Zealand, same scenario, okay, as you can see, and we are anticipating on all New Zealand pairs almost, okay, we are going down, okay, we are going down, and for the lower time frame, wait, there is the same correction which will develop over there in the upcoming days, okay, so I will try to delete those arrows, okay, I'm quite sure that this will appear over there, okay, I'm quite sure this will develop over there in the upcoming days. Okay, let's see also a daily chart. So the daily will help us to recognize them better. Okay, yes, I think that this will go up, give you a bigger daily correction, then it will go down. So what does this mean? We can be trading into that direction, into the buy direction. If the price will go down, we are not interested. Or if you want to take that short-term buy, you will watch. Okay, you will wait for a little bit bigger correction. Okay, you want a bigger correction. Let me see. You are not interested at the moment. You are not interested into that breakout. Okay, you wait for the price to go higher. Then you will watch for that small move. Okay, but I'm not interested into that small move. Okay, this small moves can just carry my risk. I will rather be watching for that move to the upside. Euro Aussie, what do we have here? Let's take a look. Okay, price is moving a sideways since last week. Okay, we didn't move far away. Okay, there was the correction which has finished, went down. Okay, so what can we do have now? The price can go lower, at least taking that bottom, then it will start to push higher. So what does this mean? We have a bit bigger correction over there, which will push the pair to the upside. If you watch a daily, okay, the daily will probably do something like that, what I have shown you. Okay. Oh shit. Price will go, no, that's not support and resistance. Okay, guys, just in case if anyone was thinking that this is the support and resistance. This is the line which I have tagging the bottoms. Okay, that means it will go tag that bottom. Okay, it can also break it. Then it will give you a reaction. Then you will take the trade to the upside. Okay, you are not taking that sell. Okay, I do not recommend you to take that sell. That sell can also go quite deeper. Okay, much deeper, something like that. But it will not go below that trend line, below that bottom. Okay, so we will stay probably sideways, but you will be only watching for your buy setups on your lower time frame. But at the moment, there is no buy setup. Okay, I don't see that there's the buy setup which is developing. Okay, this is your buy setup. Okay, so you will wait for something like that here, and then you will take the trade to the upside. That's a nice wave which is coming over there, but it's not ready at the moment. Aussie cat, what do we have there? The price is completing the correction. So what does this mean? The price will go down. Okay, I think that those reactions are from previous weekly market outlooks, or maybe from my clients from our academy, because we're having every day a daily webinar. So maybe this is the setup from them. Okay, but what we are waiting, as you can see, we take that sell, and there was the nice trade to the upside. Okay, so what you will do now, wait for the same behavior. Price will probably do something like that, give you a bit bigger correction, and you can take the trade, but be careful when the price will aggressively start to break to the downside. Okay, let's see for our, okay, we want to have there a fast reaction on the Monday, and then you want a strong candles which will just start to breaking through those trend lines. Okay, otherwise the price will just go and stop there by the trend line, and then it will start to push higher. It will go and tag that high, and then it will start to go lower. So be really careful with your sells. If you will take the sell immediately, or move your stop loss on break even as soon as you can. Okay, because price can reverse at any time soon, just to extend a bit bigger correction. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, if the price will do something like that, it will go break that high, and then you will start watching for sell again. Otherwise, you will have the correction there. You can take the trade and see, and be careful around the previous bottom. Okay, so if you will take that sell, be careful if the price will stop there, or at least when it will break the previous bottom, you should move on break even. Okay, so watch it closely. Aussie Chief, I do not recommend that you will take any sells. Okay, we are done, and we will not be watching for the sells. Okay, this is the price, and we are almost completed. You will watch. There's the nice wave coming over there. Okay, you will watch for that buy. Okay, there is the nice wave coming over there, and you should not be missed it. Okay, I will also watch that, and my academy will also watch that lower time frame to catch that wave to the upside. If there will be any aggressive move to the downside, we will simply just ignore it. Okay, so wait for the price to give you a buy setup. At the moment, there is no buy setup. Okay, as you can see, 15-minute doesn't show any signs of reversal. Okay, so let's patiently wait for your buy setup, correction, take the trade. AUSD, okay, I don't recommend you to take any sells from the spot like here. Okay, that can easily reverse to the upside, and you will have a losing trade. Okay, as you can see, we were trading those sells to the downside. I will delete now. So what you will do now, you cannot sell from the spot like here, like I have told you. You'll wait the price to go quite deeper, give you a bigger correction, then you will take the sell. Okay, so what does this mean? You will watch only for your sells, but without having a price action, you will not be buying over there. Okay, so what does this mean? We have a chart which is open in both direction. Okay, we will watch for that buy, but if the price will give you aggressive move, correct under the trend line, that will confirm our sell, and we will be as sellers. Okay, for the buy, it will give you a strong wave to the upside, correct, and we will take the trade to the upside. Okay, that's so simple, and there is no there are no how to say that, we don't need to complicate things. Okay, so yeah, let's watch that. Cat chief, stay away from it. Okay, I'm keep repeating that in every weekly market outlook, that you should stay away from that cat chief. Okay, it can just slowly pushing down, 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 and it's not ready to buy at the moment. But the main wave, it's to the upside. Okay, this is the wave which will appear over there. You can also pull the trend line on the tops, connect those tops, and watch it. Okay, this is the wave, and you should be quite risky. Why I'm not recommend you to take that cat chief because it could be quite risky. That chief pairs are quite risky and you should be skilled enough to trade them. Okay, your chief, I'm still waiting for that buy. Okay, we need to have a correction before taking the sell. Okay, I'll wait for the correction, but something like that. As you can see, there's the correction, small correction. Probably this is the 4-hour correction, which will confirm my thinking. Okay, there was some sell setups. Okay, but now you cannot sell. You'll wait for the sell, then you will take the trade. Okay, but I do recommend that you will rather wait for the buy. Okay, price will go up, but don't take that without having a great impulse. Okay, so let's see. Let's watch it. Euro cut, what do we have there? Euro cut is pushing to the downside, but it will probably not go far. Okay, I have posted that on TradingView also. We take those sells, the price went down, took me out on break even, and we are sellers again. And what does this mean? That chart will not go far away. Okay, chart will probably go break that bottom, and then it will start to reverse to the upside. Okay, I don't see that this will go aggressively to the downside. Okay, not for now. Okay, maybe it can go something like that, then it will go up. So let me just tag the previous bottom. Oh, that wasn't the correct one. Okay, what can price did? The price can just go tag that bottom, then it will go up, give you a bigger crash, then it will go down. Okay, but at the moment I don't see it will continue aggressive to downside. So you will not, you would rather watch for a buy. But at the moment, as you can see, there is no signs of any buy. Okay, but if you have there a sell, take it, but be careful. Like I said, I will be keeper, but this is the small wave which can reverse at any time soon. So this is why I do not recommend you to take it. Rather stick to your buy. It's much bigger wave and there's the much more money. Okay, so Cadian, what do we have there? Price has pushed really nice to the downside. Okay, that was since previous weekly market outlook. I hope, guys, that you are listening to me and taking those sells which I am recommending and which I'm showing to you because there are nice money. Okay? And you should be making money from those setups. Okay, so what you will do now on CAD yen, nothing. If you are selling, like I said, okay, move on break even and watch. If you have any signs of reversal, immediately take those sells off. Okay, so take your profit from those sells from that top. If you're a seller from here, okay, take off your profit here. That trade is not worth of taking it. Okay, so take your profit off and you will see. Okay, the price can easily reverse and then it will go down. So let me see a daily. Daily is showing us it will just continue to the downside. Okay, at the moment, but we need a bigger correction, and selling from that spot, like I said, I do not recommend. You will wait for the break, and after having a break you will wait for the correction, then you will take the sell. Okay, but selling from there, no, stay away from it. Don't sell from that spot. Be patient and wait. Chart will not go like that. Okay, you will just simply have to wait it to completely break that trend line, then you will wait for the correction and then you will take the trade. So don't have in your mind that this it will just go without you. No, it will not. It will give you a chance to enter the trade and take that big sell to the downside. XHUSD, okay, it went down as we were anticipating. Okay, that there is the really nice money. Okay, I made there a nice money. I took that silver trade, which I have been mentioning in previous weekly market outlook. Okay, for those who don't know how does this look, go back in previous weekly market outlook on our YouTube channel and rewatch the video and you will see what I was talking to you. Okay, we were anticipating a wave like that. Okay, no, this is the exactly the same area which I have drawn in weekly market outlook. Okay, so the profit is being there. Okay, it was so simple and there, and and you cannot tell us that you are not making money with our free weekly market outlooks. Okay, so what you will do now on silver, at the moment you will do nothing, exactly nothing. We are on the spot where you will stay away from the chart. Okay, price can go and tag that high. Okay, so let me just erase those trend lines or arrows. Okay, this is from since last week. this can go and tag the previous high. Okay, I will not go into details because it will not be fair for my traders. Okay, my traders know why this it will go up and how they can trade that trade. Okay, you will watch for the lower time frame, you will wait for that correction, you will take the trade to the upside. Okay, probably you will see that on Tuesday. Okay, at the moment it's not ready, as you can see. That can just break down. Okay, so stay away from it if you don't know how to trade it. Okay, but I really hope that you take that sell in the previous week. Okay, there was the same scenario. The reason or the difference there was only that there was the break even trades. Okay, I was saying that we can go and tag that high. Okay, let's watch on lower time frame. You will see exactly my arrows which I have posted into the outlook. Okay, I think on the previous Sunday we were there and then we pushed higher exactly to tag that trend line, then it went down. Okay, as you can see, this is the really magic. Okay, so I don't have there some kind of magic ball. That's only the knowledge. Okay, and charts are always playing out as we were anticipating. So what we will do now? Okay, just to explain you, if you take that breakout entry, okay, price went down, went up and down, and you have enough time to break that, to close that trade on break even. Okay, no one of you, if you are following me, you will not be able to have a losing trade over there. Okay, it's not possible, especially in that big correction. Okay, you have enough time to move your trade on break even. So what you will do now, let's see for our, okay, the gold can also push lower. Let me see a daily. Okay, daily will go down. Okay, there are no reasons for this buy. Okay, let me just delete this. So let's see, this it will go down. Let me just delete it, it will not just confuse you. Okay, so what you will do, you watch lower time frame to have some sell setups, then you will take the sell. Okay, so this is your sell and this is how you will be traded. If you have the buy setup, I do not recommend you to take it because it can go and tag that high, same as silver, and then will go down. Okay, I will not recommend that you will watch that buy. Okay, you will simply ignore every buy setup which the market will give you. Okay, market is trying to confuse you and you should not let him to confuse you. Okay, so watch that on lower time frame and see your sell setups and then simply just take the trade to the downside. New Zealand yen, what do we have there? Okay, those charts are quite tricky for you. No, don't watch them. Okay, so simply just ignore New Zealand yen, it's not for you. Okay, otherwise if it will break down during the week, give you on Wednesday or maybe Friday a correction and you can trade them to the downside. But be careful, as soon as the price will go and tag that bottom, you should not be selling anymore. Okay, if the price soon, when the price will be there, you will not be selling. You want to have sells from there, but not from there. Okay, that's not the place where you are interested to sell it. Aussie yen, what do we have there? We were waiting for the price to went up, but it didn't. Okay, it was keep forming and pushing lower. If you watch a lower time frame, you can see how nice cells you have there. There was the wonderful cells, and like I said, you don't have any cell setup, and this is the reason why we didn't took it. Okay, and what we will do, we will simply just watch how that will plays out. Let me see where we are at the moment. Okay, price is around the trend line, and this is not the behavior which will break the downside. Okay, it can go a little bit lower, tag that bottom, then it will go up, stop there, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, so you have a time, okay, before moving to downside. Okay, we will not be watching anymore to go tagging that high. Okay, you will be watching for that low, that break of that high, then you will watch for that wave to the downside. Okay, so keep your eyes on at the moment. Okay, Euro yen, there was the nice trade which has given a really nice profit. Okay, my traders some of my traders are holding the trades from here. Okay, Igor is also one of our traders, and he's at the moment with us, and he has that trade. Okay, he catch it from totally from the top. Okay, and the price is aggressively pushing to the downside. Okay, that's the nice trade, and on lower time frame there was the many sells which you will be able to take. Okay, sorry guys, let's go. What you will do, you will watch for that correction and you will take the trade. Okay, you will be keep selling, 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 selling. Okay, but don't sell around. Nope, sorry, don't sell around that bottom. Okay, that's quite risky to selling around there. So like I said, uh, oops, sorry, I just misclicked. Where is it? It was the Urian. Okay, Urian. Sorry for that mistake. I just misclicked. So let's go. What you will do, you will watch for the sell, sell, sells, keep selling. Okay, but when the price will take that sell, no, you will not be selling anymore. Okay, because you then become on the spot where the market can play with you and take the money from you. Okay, so let's go and watch 15 minutes. Okay, at the moment there is nothing. You don't have nothing. You can just wait for the correction sell. Okay, otherwise just stay away from it and watch it. Okay, so let's move. Chief Yen, what do we have there? Wonderful trade, wonderful chart. It's also described in previous weekly market outlook. Okay, keep selling, guys. Keep selling, selling, selling. We are going to tag that trend line. So there are no reasons for that chart to reverse to the upside. Okay, so just keep watching for your sell setups and yeah, keep going. Okay, pound pairs. Okay, pound pairs will also give you a nice setups in the upcoming week. Okay, like I have shown you, there is the year GBP, and I think it's also posted on my idea published on TradingView profile. Okay, just go simply on my profile and you'll find that idea over there. So you will see, you will watch for the price action, you will wait for the setup, then you will take the trade. Okay, there is the nice wave coming over there. Okay, that will be a pound movement. Okay, I'm anticipating that pound will go down. Okay, GBP index is showing me a sell, so that means the EU GBP will push to the upside. Okay, so I will be watching for my buys over there. Okay, so keep your eyes on lower time frame. At the moment there is nothing, but I think it will form. There's something, some kind of formation, some kind of setup, and then you will watch how it will plays out. Okay, that could be a nice setup. Just keep your eyes on, and you will see how it will plays out. So what I'm watching also, that other pound pairs, pound chief, pound yen, pound Indian, pound USD. I'm watching all of the rest pounds for the downside. Okay, pound Aussie, I'm waiting for the sell. At the moment, there was the nice sell setup. Okay, if you took it, great. And you will just watch it how it will goes down. Okay, just watch for the sells. Okay, sells, let's see. Pound cat, okay, it doesn't give you a nice. There was the sell. Okay, that isn't the sell at the moment. It's not completed. It can go give you bigger correction. Then it will go down. Pound chief, also not ready. It will give you a one wave to the upside. Then it will go down. It will be ready probably on the middle of Monday, tomorrow at the evening also. Okay, if you took that pound yen also great. You're a nice profit. If not, you will wait, okay, for the correction and you will go down. Okay, my traders are familiar with those moves. Okay, just keep adding your sells. Sell, 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 sell. Okay, upcoming week, I'm anticipating just the sell setups on pound. Pound New Zealand, same scenario. As you can see that this move is quite nice on all pound pairs. Pound USD, same scenario. You see, that's just a magic. Wonderful pound trades will give us sell setups. But they are not completed yet. You should patiently wait. Don't jump into the trade, especially not on pound pairs. Pound pairs are usually having much more pips with stop loss. Okay, if you are using on the others, for example, 20 to 30 pips, you will have to use on pound pairs 60, 70, or sometimes 80 or 90. Okay, so your eyes will be on pound pairs and you will have a nice profit. Natural gas. Okay, so if you do remember and if you were with me previous Sunday, that's my trade. Okay, this is what I'm talking, and I took off my profit here. Okay, so I take a really nice profit on natural gas, like I have shown you on the previous Sunday. So what you will do now, nothing, you don't have no setups at the moment. There was the small setup, okay, which it will go and it can go a bit lower and then it will push higher. Okay, so what you will do, watch it, but I do not recommend you with, if you're using a small capital, I do not recommend you to take that natural gas. Okay, it could be quite risky for those who are having a small capital to trade with. SP 500, let's see what do we have there. Price is going lower. Okay, I'm taking the sells every time. I took the sell there, I took the break even. I took the sell again, I took the break even. Okay, and I'm again in sell, and I will be keep selling, 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 selling. Okay, that will go down. Okay, and I want to catch that move. It doesn't matter if I will close 20, 30, or 50 break even trades before the chart will go down. Okay, I will catch the move which it will go down. But as you can see, there is the nice reaction. Okay, there's the nice reaction coming over there. Wait, patiently wait for that correction, take the trade. Okay, and again, do not trade it if you are using a small capital. Okay, that could be quite risky. So yeah, let's keep your eyes on and you will see how far it will go. But I'm still anticipating, same as Bitcoin, that the SP 500, it will break aggressively to the downside like Bitcoin did a few years ago. Okay, so same the SP 500 will behave. UK 100, okay, it still seems it will go up, sorry, it will go up. I see that this will go and tag that high. Okay, well, let's see, like that. So we will have a tag of that high and then it will go down. Okay, so that will be nice setup. Otherwise, you have the sell and correct to the downside. Okay, but I don't see this move. I see first the wave to the upside, breaking or tagging that high before going lower. So you will see, just watch it. UK oil. Okay, UK oil went down really nice. Okay, as you can see, there was the setup correction, really nice correction, went down. So what you will do now? Nothing at the moment. Wait for the correction, really nice correction. That correction will confirm that we are continuing to downside. You can take that trade, but you will have to be careful around previous bottom. Okay, this is your bottom, and you will have to be careful how the price will behave around previous bottom. Okay, so yeah, patiently wait for the correction, take the trade, and see how it plays out. US oil, same scenario. Wait for that correction, take the trade, and be careful about previous bottom. Okay, US oil and UK oil are the same. US 30, same scenario as SP 500. Wait for the correction, take the trade. We will go down. Okay, at least deep correction before continue to the upside. So you should not miss it, or it can just go went up and then down. So it doesn't mean that you will immediately sell. Why you will not immediately sell? Because it can go up, it will give you a new high, and then it will take you out with a losing trade, and then you will miss that sell. So patiently wait. Okay, platinum pushing up really nice and tricky. Okay, for all of you who are not skilled enough, you should not be trading that. Will just in any time break, but you will wait for that clear break, and then you will wait for the correction and you will take the trade. Trade can stop over there and give you something like that, and then it will continue to the upside. Okay, but at the moment there are no signs of any sells. Okay, it will go down, but this is the really risky trade, and I do not recommend you. Pattern has also changed, so this line over there is not important anymore. And yes, that chart will go probably give something like that. Okay, probably it will do something like that, and then from here it will give you a buy and you will able to take it. So you, if you want, you can take those short sell setups and you will see how far it will go, but I'm not anticipating this it will go that low because the pattern has changed for me. And yes, this is the behavior which I'm anticipating at the moment. Bitcoin, let's see Bitcoin. Okay, we were watching that sell. Okay, and I have posted that you should not watching it anymore or move on break even. That's becoming quite risky. Okay, I think that on Friday I have posted update for here. If you are in sell, move on break even. If you have their sells, great, hold them. If not, you will watch that sell and you will see how it will plays out. Let me just show you what you are anticipating. Okay, you are waiting that to continue down. Okay, oh, let's do straight line, sorry. Okay, so this is the wave which you are anticipating. Okay, watch lower time frame, setup, take the setup, and you will see. If that it will break up, give you correction like that, that will invalidate every sell, and I will not be a seller anymore. Okay, I will also delete that one, so you will know. Watch there and see if this will be aggressive move. Great, stay in the trade. Otherwise, do not sell anymore because you are going higher. Okay, for me, this is still the sell structure. Okay, but at any time soon, like I said, it can just aggressively break to the upside. So you have to be especially careful on that spot. Okay, on the 50-minute, it can play out with you really well. Okay, so at the moment there is no sell. Okay, you want a price action before taking that sell. It could be quite risky. You can also pull your trend line over there and you will watch when the price will break that trend line. If the price will break that trend line aggressively, you will be start watching for yourselves. Okay, otherwise the price it will just aggressively push into the upside. Okay, so keep your eyes on and you will see how it will plays out. Was that Ripple? Ripple is going down, going down. Okay, it's pushing down. Let's see where we are in the structure. We are in the structure where the price can give you a new high. Okay, let's see. That can go up, but I don't see that this is the behavior for sell, for buy, sorry. I see that there's the sell which is forming over there. Okay, I see this will go down. Okay, but just don't jump into the trade without having a price action. Okay, oh, sorry. We are the spot where the price can just went to the upside, but I don't see that will probably give you something like that before going up. Okay, or it will go at least take that and then before going higher. So yeah, that's all guys, and hope that you are watching and listening to us. You should take a really nice money from those setups. Okay, and yes, if you're happy with our weekly market outlook, I will be happy also if you will share my link, okay, with others so that others can also learn or earn some money, okay, because they're on the Forex market or in this industry, Forex industry, there are a lot of scammers last days, okay, so I would like to help you to make some money and to not be scammed from them, okay. So yes, please like and share our video with others, okay. So be good and see you on Telegram. Okay? Take care and may the profit be with you. Take care. Bye bye.